everyone, my name is Arnav and you're watching Arnav's Fun Space. Friends, if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe my channel. Friends, today we're going to make two different kind of lanterns. Try making these two different lanterns by yourself and enjoy your Diwali. So come on, let's start. Let's celebrate our Diwali eco-friendly. That means without plastic or firecrackers. We're going to also make our lanterns with paper, not plastic. So come on, let's make a paper lantern now. To make this lantern, we need a ruler, a glue stick to glue, two blue sheet of papers, you can use any color, two small sheet of papers with this shape, we need a scissor, some tape, one pencil, you can use any kind of pencil, I have a lead pencil, and punching machine to make a hole, and finally, and lace. To make our first lantern, we need to fold this sheet of paper. We have to first make it upside down and then fold it. Fold it into half. Now let's unfold it. And let's mark a line on the fold. Of the paper. So let's cut it out. We're done with cutting out our stripes. It kind of looks like a jellyfish. Now let's glue these two sheets together. There we go. Now let's fold the sheet of paper into half. Huh, little guy? All right. Here we go. Now let's mark one line over here on the outer edge. You can use a ruler if you want to. Now again, we're going to cut a few stripes on this paper too. Now don't cut it until the edge. Cut it until the line. That's why we did the line, right? Okay, let's start. our stripes are ready. Now we're going to glue these stripes over here. Now let's put some decorative tape on it. Here we go. Now let's cut one of the stripes on the either edge. Let's bring this back so we don't cut that stripe. Here we go. Now let's roll this up and glue it over in this area. That's why we cut that stripe. Now, this gluing part is a little hard for me, so I'm taking my mother's help. Now let's punch it, and let's put some lace for hanging. This is so cool. I never punched before. See, my lantern is ready. So it looks beautiful, does it? Tell me in the comment section below. So for this second lantern, we need some glue, some wax paper. It's for the light to pass through it. Some normal paper. You can use any color for this. Some decorative tape, one pencil, and scissors. Left. Now let's fold a sheet of paper. Make sure that you're folding into half. Now let's open it up and cut it on the fold. I can literally see the fold. Now let's fold this again, and then let's cut it out on the fold. Make sure you fold this into half and cut it into half, so it'll be quarters. Now we got these 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to draw a lamp on these and I'll cut them out. Now let's fold all these pieces into half. Let's draw lamps on it. I like drawing lamps. That's my secret. lamps are ready. Now let's put these lamps aside. And let's take the wax paper. Let's just fold it into half. Now again, let's fold it into half. Now let's open it up and put on the folds. To glue this wax paper on the back side of our lamps. Now let's join all these pieces with the help of decorative tape. Now for the last part, I'm going to take some help from my mom. Our lantern is ready. The best part is that this is foldable, and you can fold it and put it in your file for the next time. And you can celebrate Diwali with the same lantern. Ta-da! Look, our lanterns are ready. Look how they're beautiful. I like Diwali. How about you? How are your preparations going? Let me know in the comment section below. So friends, if you enjoyed my video, then please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. And I will be back soon with more fun ideas and more fun videos. Till then, enjoy your eco-friendly Diwali and happy Diwali once more, and bye-bye! Now, let's put this aside. Let's put our jellyfish aside, because now we're going to hang out with these sheet of papers. Let's chat with them, maybe. Now let's fold our second friend. Now let's fold this two-eyed monster. It's kind of looking like a two-eyed monster, but no. Yay! I like to fly a jellyfish.